Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're back, and as you can see, we're about to... wait, does it... Well, I don't know how much manure we're gonna be able to... So we get a full thing of manure. We're gonna go spread manure this episode. Starting here with field 9. So, wait. But I'm gonna drop that there, but first, though, we have to go get fuel in this tractor. I didn't realize I needed fuel in the 1206, but apparently I do. And oh yeah, I gotta do morning chores yet. So I'll fill this up. Fill him with fuel. Done with it. Now we just gotta grab the feed wagon, get a full. Well, we're gonna end up running out of feed, and I'm not gonna have enough. Wait, how much? Oh, and well, yeah. So they're all steers. We do have baby calves to go check out. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and go do, is check out our baby steer or baby calves, and then we'll head over to the steer lot while he's running the manure. So there's 2 calves right there. One just bolted his head through the other one's rear end. So there's 2. Wait, how many do we have? I'm gonna pull it up on the iPad. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, so there's 2, and then there's 2 in here. Yes. Yep. There's the other 2. We do have radio traffic in the background. I have my pager on me.
Second tone, Royal Center, first responders, en route, 112 Beckley Street, 112 Beckley, 83-year-old male. You saw last night. Today is extremely sluggish with slurred speech. He has a blood pressure reading of 82/54. He has AFib with a pacemaker. 112 Beckley Street, Ronnie EMS Ops, second tone, Royal Center.
I'm not on Royal Center Fire, and so we're gonna get him, well, actually just gonna use the rest of the hay bales once I get the 1206 going with the manure spreader. So, yeah, we're gonna get him going with the manure spreader, and I'll get a couple shots with him running manure. So, let's get back up to our manure spreader, and as you guys can see, the crops are almost grown. Now, this is a part of the 70s roleplay series, so hop off, make sure we got the pin. Everything's good. PTO. Headlands and rows. So we'll run 1 headland round with the, well, yeah, we're like just dropping manure throughout the field. Let's check the map. Well, yeah, it's doing a section of both, which might be a good sign. It might not, but I'm gonna put my resources to good use and get good amounts of yield from the crop this year. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go do chores. Let him do his thing. So hop on the Farmall M, head over here to the bale storage, and we're gonna do this all in first person because I think it's probably the most realistic. We can lower the... No, we can't. Okay, never mind. With the M, we have to do it in third because first just doesn't like to work. So let's lower the bale. There's one bale down. Well, yeah, we're keeping them fed. They're gonna try to keep them fed, but I don't know how long this episode will be. Well, however long it takes me to do, whoa, whoa. Don't want to run into the house or anything. We got, Fred just sitting in the barn. So we got one, we'll go first person like to grab the bales, but then we were gonna stay third person to oh, we're almost out of hay. Yeah, that's something I realized is an issue. Wait, we might be able to chop some silage this episode and get a little bit more cattle feed. But I'm not gonna count on it, so there's another bale into the unit. So what's their feed looking like? Well, so yeah, they don't have... I mean, they've got both animals still, both cattle groups still get quite a lot of feed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take... Actually, I'm just gonna park the tractor in... like there. So now... we're out of manure. Of course we are. Well... yeah... we just have to go... pull over here. And... well... right there. Hold on, let's make it a little bit more realistic. We will back right there. And then fill up with another round of manure, which I'll probably end up running out of manure before I can even do anything else. So let's go ahead and go back out to the field. I have honestly no idea. Yeah, I do. It's right over here is where I left off, I think. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think about the 1970s roleplay series. But oh yeah, we gotta go over to the co-op as well at some point in time. But where did I leave off at? Well, yeah, I don't know, but just hit resume and then it should take you. Yeah, honestly, that's what I'm gonna do. Resume, yep. Well, yep, so there's gonna be a little bit extra, like right there is where we left off truly. But yeah, I'll get a couple camera shots of him doing the manure. Yep, we're now in the next round. Spreading manure. Well, yeah, that's what this episode will mostly be consisted of, is spreading manure on both fields. Wait, no. Well, I actually said we're going to attempt to harvest this episode as well. Yeah, even if we don't put manure, then actually I only want to put manure down on this field just to see how it ends up or turns out. I don't want to do manure on both fields because that's just, I just want to see how the yield turns out on one field compared to the other. And then if I like the yield on both fields or on the field that has manure on it better, then we will next season we'll put manure down on both fields. Well, yeah, we'll put manure down on both fields next season. Well, yeah, we're almost out of manure. Well, which I probably won't be able to do this entire field because of the manure shortage. Well, I mean, if we can't do the entire field because of the manure shortage, then yeah, so starting rows. Yeah, we're gonna run out of manure just like that. And then crop. Well, yeah. Most of the crop that we're gonna be putting manure down on. I mean, yeah, it's already been 12 minutes. Well, putting manure, well, the episode's been 12 minutes, but I'm not gonna say that that's, yeah, and we're gonna run out of manure on this row. Yeah, I knew, and this is gonna be a decently sized video. Maybe another 20. Oh, we didn't run out of manure. And well, we're gonna do on this row. That's for sure. Well, yep, out of manure. Now back to the cow-calf pen to get the final load of manure that should do us a little bit of good. Well, yeah, with the manure spreader, you can back up in first person. Well, go ahead and fill up. Darn it, we've only got half of what we had. So, yeah, that might be a problem. Because they're almost out of manure. Whoa, wait, where'd we leave off at? Oh. Over there. Let's make the turn. And then just... Wait, where did we leave off at? Oh, we came in from the wrong side of the field. Well, yeah, now once the field is fully grown and ready for harvest, we will, and also, doing it like in third person. Well, yeah, we're not gonna be able to, fertilize the entire field. So, yeah, we're not gonna be able to fertilize this entire field because we're out of manure. I mean, I'm sure you could go buy some. Well, from the store, but that's going to cost probably a fortune. Well, yeah, I don't see why waste money when manure comes naturally from the animals that we raise, but if that's how it's going to be, then that's how it's going to be. We may have to go buy some. We may have to, we may not. Well, we're out of manure. So, I guess, so how much of the field did we actually get? Net fertilized, wait, what? Yeah, there's a decent chunk of it that got fertilized. So yeah, I think that that'll be good enough. We did good enough. So yeah, that was the summer episode. We did a spring episode. Well, we did a winter episode, which was episode 1 of buying the cows. A spring episode, which was planting. Oh wait, they got more manure. We might be able to save. Well, okay, that's not going to work. We might be able to save the growth. Well, wait, how far back? Yeah, right there should be good. Well, oh. Yeah, I don't know how much. Well, actually, I'm just gonna hold it in the manure spreader and leave it parked here because I'm not gonna like waste like an instant drop, an instant thing of manure. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it parked. And then end the video here. I'll see you guys later, folks. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share the video. And see ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.